This is the Change Analysis tab. It's very important when you're on your second or third run and so on. You will find it empty if you are on your first run though. The Change Analysis tab shows you what has changed in your model at intent level across your 3 scores. In this example, we're trying to fix the AI provider intent. And by looking at the graph, you can check to see if the improvements you have made to this intent's training data have had a positive impact. And you can see from this graph that the AI provider intent has had a positive impact. You can also see that you have made a number of positive improvements to other intents across the model. And remember that we have only changed the training data for one intent compared to the previous model we ran. The white dots show where the intent was on a previous test, and the red and green dots show where the intent is now on the current test. The green dots show the improvements and the red dots show the regressions. It's important to understand the regressions. When it's a small regression, like this, you may not need to worry so much about it. But when the amplification of the regression starts to be a bit bigger, you may want to have a look at it. And you can check this graph across 3 scores: correctness, confidence, and stability. Just below the graph, you can see all your details with the same set of filters on the score page. The intents are listed with the same 3 familiar scores: correctness, confidence, and stability, as well as their deltas. There is also a column here for cause. This is interesting. It shows 3 values. Direct, this means that you have changed the training data for this intent in the current test. So the change within the score is a direct impact from what we have done. Indirect is where changes you made to another intent had an indirect impact on this particular intent elsewhere in the model. And unidentified, this means that a change we have made directly in an intent has generated a difference in the score of this intent, but we can't identify at which level. These kind of regressions are very important, but very difficult to identify without a tool like QBox. You will want to validate that the intent you worked on has improved, and you can see the intent we worked on here, AI provider, has improved. Correctness has improved by 7 points, confidence has improved by 9 points, and stability has improved by a massive 55 points. After that, you may want to tackle any regressions. Here we can see this one is a slightly bad regression, so you may want to work on this. You can click on the intent to go through to the intent details page to identify the cause of the regression and try to fix it.